Here's an easy tool to make. Take a 2x4 and it'll keep your lifters in order. Make a mark every 2.5 inches, put 16 dots total, and draw an arrow on it. Next, drill the holes in the 2x4. Then once you have your 16 holes drilled, 1 inch in diameter, you now have a place to put all the lifters and keep them right in order. And as the lifter bleeds the oil out, the wood will absorb the oil and hopefully keep you from making a mess. Just don't punch the holes all the way through. So we got our board on top of the engine with the arrows going the way they go. And basically here, we're just gonna take the lifters and we're gonna toss them in. Keep them all in order. Not that we're reusing these, but I just wanted to keep them in order anyway. For when I take the cam out so I can look at it. But there you go. Easy way to keep the lifters in order when you're working with your camshaft.